My creativity workshops help executives and managers and staff to think more creatively about their businesses, to find innovative and exciting solutions to help them to become more competitive. I design and deliver in-house training workshops on creativity that use proven techniques for idea generation and for tackling problems in an innovative and new way. So the result of the workshops is that businesses become more profitable, more imaginative, and have better systems inside their businesses and organizations for generating ideas, testing them, and putting them into practice. So if you want to know more about my creativity workshops and how I can help your business or organization to become even more successful, then please contact me through my website at davidparish.com.